How much you made, fool? I made a stack. That's a fact. Baby, like, look you, what you doing with them racks? Yeah, I'm ready to race. Look like I came to the right place. Yeah, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Happy to be at the track. I'm standing in the front, man, fuck the back. I know I'm not wrong for waiting. I got the steady, the patience. Ooh, I know when I get to the place, I can't wait to race. Hold on, let me get my drone. I can record this with my phone. Now I got the drone in the air. Everybody looking and they stare. Like, is that your drone, man? Yeah, it's my drone. How fast does it go? Like 45. How far does it go? Like 3 miles. Wow, how much it costs? Like 15. 1500. Oh, you want one too? Yeah, they sell them. How long I been flying? Oh, shit, like 2 years. Yeah, that's. You subscribe to my channel, right? Alright. Look out racing, man. You better subscribe. You gon' miss out.
You ain't no friend of mine.
Look out, LOO. KOUT. Look out. Like that. If you don't say it like that, you ain't even saying it. That right. Look out. Ooh, it's brand new. Guess what? I got insurance too. Yeah, that State Farm. They alarm me every time it's time to pay. I just be like, okay. How much is it again? Hold on. My stimulus ain't came in. How am I gon' pay? Just looked at my account today. Ooh, it hurt me. Guess who gonna come and race today? I don't know.